you tired of your 9-to-5 job and dreaming of financial freedom? What if I told you there's a way to make money while you sleep? Yes, it's possible, and it's called affiliate marketing. In 2025, this industry is expected to grow exponentially, but only those who start now will reap the benefits. So don't get left behind. Stick with me to the end of this video, where I'll show you step-by-step how to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey today. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income online. It's low risk, scalable, and doesn't require you to create your own product. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your affiliate marketing business in 2025. Plus, I'll reveal a tool that makes creating high-converting content effortless. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is affiliate marketing? Definition of affiliate marketing: earning a commission by promoting products and services. Example: explaining how it works with Amazon or ClickBank. Imagine earning $500, $1,000, or even more every month by recommending products you love. Sounds exciting, right? Section 2. Why start affiliate marketing in 2025? Market trends: the rise of e-commerce, influencer marketing, and AI tools. Low investment and high return. Think about your family, your dreams. Affiliate marketing can help you achieve them. The earlier you start, the more market share you can capture. 2025 is the year to jump in. Section 3. Step-by-step guide to starting. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Examples: health, tech, finance, etc. Pick something you're passionate about. Passion sells. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Mention platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Start today. Every moment you wait is an opportunity lost. Step 3. Build a platform. Options: blog, YouTube channel, social media page. Explain: consistency and content are key to building trust. Step 4. Create quality content. Importance of high-quality videos and articles. And speaking of creating content, if you're struggling to create engaging videos, let me introduce you to Pictory.ai, a game-changing tool powered by AI. With Pictory.ai, you can create professional, eye-catching videos in minutes without any experience. Whether you're making tutorials, product reviews, or explainer videos, this tool will save you hours of work. Click the link in the description and take your content creation to the next level. Step 5. Drive traffic to your platform strategies: SEO, social media, email marketing. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Use analytics to improve your performance. Success isn't luck, it's about learning and growing. Section 4. Tools you need to succeed. SEO tools: Google Analytics, SEMrush. Email marketing platforms: MailChimp, ConvertKit. Section 5. Real-life success stories. Share quick case studies of successful affiliate marketers. If they can do it, so can you. All it takes is dedication and the right guidance. Recap the steps: choose a niche, sign up for programs, create content, and drive traffic. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. 2025 is your year. Don't wait. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. And don't forget to check out Pictory.ai, linked below, to create high-quality videos effortlessly. Trust me, it's a game changer for anyone serious about building an affiliate business. Now, it's your turn. What's stopping you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone who dreams of financial freedom. Let's make 2025 the year we achieve our goals together.